Withdrawing money from your KeyBank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure you complete your transaction successfully. Step 1. Locate an ATM or branch. Find a nearby KeyBank ATM or branch location. You can use the KeyBank website or mobile app to search for the closest options. Step 2. Insert your debit card. If you are using an ATM, insert your KeyBank debit card into the machine. Ensure that the card is inserted correctly and wait for the machine to read it. Step 3. Enter your PIN. Input your personal identification number PIN when prompted. This is a security measure to verify your identity. Step 4. Select withdrawal option. Choose the option for withdrawing cash from your account. You may need to select the type of account, checking or savings from which you want to withdraw funds. Step 5. Enter withdrawal amount. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the air.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can easily withdraw money from your KeyBank account. Always ensure to keep your PIN secure and be aware of your surroundings when using an ATM.